Hey all, thought I would do a quick video for you, show you one of my pet projects that I'm really proud of. It's a resounding success. Here it is. Now, don't be distracted by the aesthetics. It's not complete yet, but I'll finish it this year, God willing. But yeah, I have an outdoor balcony pond, guys. This is up in the sky. Yep. And I've overwintered all my fish in there. And look at them. And if you're wondering how did I do it, how did I overwinter goldfish and red mountain minnows, well, excuse me, I put in a Pondmaster deicer. I left the sponge filter running on an air stone, of course, as they run. I've got live plants in there, and I put a greenhouse over it. A greenhouse that I bought a frame for that comes separately. I got the greenhouse Canadian Tire. I think I got the frame from no, not Canadian Tire. I think the greenhouse was from Princess Auto, and which is a shop here in Ontario. And I got the frame from Canadian Tire because it does match this greenhouse. And what else? That's it. I only changed the water, excuse me, not changed, but I only topped up the pond during the winter, I think just twice. That's it. You know, due to evaporation. Did it freeze over? Just partially. Obviously, wherever the deicer is located, it never froze, so that does work very well. Actually, because of the size of the pond and the power of this deicer, guys, it basically kept the pond almost totally unfrozen the entire winter. And I think it raised the temperature a bit, so it was really useful. And the greenhouse, of course, protected it from wind and all that stuff, so it was well protected. What else can I tell you? Oh yeah, I did insulate it, top and sides and bottom. The blue stuff you see back there, or down there I should say, is actually insulation board that I wrapped in some clear garbage bags just to keep it dry. And obviously the silver stuff is insulation that I just wrapped around it, taped it. And I'm gonna put like some sort of beautiful something around it this summer, is the plan anyway, to make it pretty. So yeah, guys. Oh, and I think I only fed the fish like maybe twice the entire winter so far. I mean, today's March 10th. So I just fed them for the first time like a bigger meal, but they literally got like drops of food maybe twice in winter. That's it. And as you can see, they are very happy. So if you're wondering, can you have a little pond with fish in it on your balcony in Ontario, Canada? Yes, you can, all winter long. You just got to make sure you put a strong deicer, top it up with water, maybe cover it with a little greenhouse like this, insulate the outside, run an air stone, or better yet a sponge filter right here, and have some live plants. And I think I just saw my goldfish that I was looking for. There you are. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Yeah, they look really healthy considering they haven't eaten much since probably November last year. So yeah, you can do it, guys. You can definitely overwinter a pond. So I usually keep the greenhouse closed. I just open it for you guys. What I've done is there are two little windows on both sides that you can see, one right here and there's one over there. So I keep them open so that it doesn't really stay too warm in there. So basically this is what it looks like all winter long. So that's it, guys. Yeah, you can definitely overwinter goldfish and mountain minnows in Ontario, Canada, in a sheltered location using the methods that I've shown you. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you updated on my little balcony pond. It does have a solar fountain, which I'll run spring, summer, when the weather is much warmer. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.